Hello, hello, hello. Day 4. We are outside again and the state of emergency is lifted. Rain is also gone, so we are off to a good start. Today was all about my ideal avatar. My ideal avatar is the person or the group of people I want to help, want to offer my business model, and I would like to help them in 4 main areas. This is health, wealth, relationship, and business. I am here to help people, and I am hoping that by the end of the 30 days, I have all the knowledge I need to take you on the same journey and to improve your life overall. So please follow me. And a big thank you to the people who clicked subscribe on my YouTube channel. The link is again above. Highly appreciate this. So thanks. I will see you tomorrow, and then I take the day off. Bye.